in this job, you never know who you'll meet, and the political season brings out activists on all sides, like WWE stars Mickie James and Josh Matthews. These two are here in St. Paul trying to convince young people to vote. Mickie, Josh, welcome both of you.
Thank
all right,
you.
Mickie, first to you. You're a wrestler.
Yes, I am.
And you're here. Why are you here?
Well, I'm here to encourage the young Americans to get out and vote, and if they aren't registered to vote, to go ahead and vote, because we have WWE. We do this program. It's called Smackdown Your Vote. So we do it, every time there's a big election coming around, and it's just important to encourage people to get out there because their voice is really important in America.
Josh, what do you do at WWE?
I'm an announcer for World Wrestling Entertainment, so I'm here this week, and we were in Denver last week covering the conventions, and I do a lot of our mobile stuff and a lot of our web stuff.
So you're sort of the voice of WWE in some ways?
Well, we could say that here tonight, sure, if you want to. Yeah, that's fine with me.
How do you learn to be the announcer?
I think you learn through practice and being on the road. I've been with the company for 7 years now, so at this point it's like an old hat, and it's just nothing but fun.
All right, Mickie, how do you learn to be a wrestler?
I went to school for it.
Really?
I trained
Where?
for it. I started in a small school outside of D.C., and then I started going to a school outside of Baltimore. And I would drive from Richmond to D.C. and then Richmond to Baltimore, like 2 or 3 days out of the week.
Is it like actually wrestling school?
Yeah,
it is?
Actually, yes.
And have you ever wrestled Candace? Because she was on the show.
Yes, I have.
Really?
I've
All right, so
wrestled
what
with
story? Candace was on, of course, last week in Denver. Who wins with you and Candace?
I think that I've won every time I've wrestled Candace.
Really?
Yeah, but I haven't. She's my friend now on TV. This is when we were enemies on TV, and this was a few years ago. But she's my friend now, so I wouldn't wrestle her right now.
And actually, I've learned that friend-enemy thing because it's actually quite intriguing, the whole story. And WWE is actually quite fascinating.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable, the stories.
Yeah.
So you're out here to get people to vote. This is nonpartisan. Some representatives were in Denver at the Democratic, here at the Republican. How are we actually getting people to, how are you presenting it to get out there?
Well, that's sort of our deal. We every week we reach over 15 million viewers between our shows, Monday Night Raw, ECW on Tuesday night on Sci-Fi, and Friday Night SmackDown. So over 15 million people are watching our shows, and most of those people are under the age of 30. So our deal is SmackDownYourVote.com. You can go there, you can see a VIP debate between Obama and McCain on all the important issues for people who are under the age of 30, who we're trying to get not only to register, but to actually vote November 4th.
Any idea on how successful you are getting the movement towards the registration?
As far as numbers are concerned, no, but I know
gauge?
that we are extremely successful with our fan base because of how many people actually go to SmackDownYourVote.com.
And I know that last year we had over 4 million people sign up to vote.
Really?
Yes.
Over 4 million?
Over 4 million, yeah.
Do you also promote On the Record and Greta Wire on...
Greta Wire, I'm going to write about that in my blog, actually,
Will you, Greta
on
Wire?
Fan Nation. Yeah, we're going to talk all about Greta Wire.
I know it's a big popular hit on WWE. And you're actually going to be in Washington December.
Yes, absolutely. It's not too far from my home.
I know. Well, actually, I'm dying to come because I want to come and watch, and it's a great.
No, wait, are you going to wrestle? Are you going to get in the ring and actually compete? Is that what's going to happen?
We could wrestle
I'm
each
going
other.
to teach Mickie some things.
Uh-oh.
I talk tough right here. Don't you? You better be nervous, girl. Anyway, great thing that you guys are out promoting the vote because it's voting obviously is very important. Nice to see both of you. Thank you both. And I probably will see you in December in Washington. So
Wonderful.
look out.
Greta, thank you very much.
Coming up.